known for their intelligence, and technology helps us to simplify lives. I just received my Novage box and I'm going to tell you what all is there inside this. Unboxing specially for you, the Novage Bright Sublime, and we have with us the star product, which is the Supreme Cleansing Gel. So Oriflame has launched the Novage Supreme Cleansing Gel for busy people or lazy people just like me who find a reason to miss their toning routine. So let me tell you all about the Supreme Cleansing Gel. Supreme Cleansing Gel is made with a special technology which identifies the need of your skin, and it does the action of cleansing as well as toning. So all I will do is to just take a little bit of this on my palm, and on my wet face just massage it around and just wash it off. You do not need a toner when you use the Supreme Cleansing Gel by Novage. What it does is actually analyzes the need of your skin and cleans your skin. Okay, it does the action of the toner because it has got the technology of plant stem cells. Plant stem cells actually help to reduce the impact of aging on our skin and actually boost the cell regeneration. So our entire Novage skincare routine is made from plant stem cells extract. Intelligent women, intelligent products, and intelligent products means life simplified.